Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create a YouTube logo for your channel using Canva for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Canva, and if we want to create a logo, we can use Logo Maker app in Canva. First of all, you can go to the apps menu in Canva, and then you can search for Logo Maker. Okay, and there will be some apps for you to create logo, but of course not all of them are free. So I'm going to recommend you this one because this one is free. You can use this Logo Maker to create your own logo for your YouTube channel. And here you need to describe the logo that you want, but wait, it's still loading. Okay, here you can add your description, and since I have created the description, I'm just going to paste my description here. Okay, and we can click on create. Okay, and just hold on until the logo has been created. Okay, now the logo has been created guys, and this is the result, and you can download it for your YouTube video. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.